Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Snapshot Medical Kitchen. I'm pretty excited about this one today. I'm going to use my smoker that I got last year for the first time, and I'm going to be making pork butt. Just kind of make a nice pork smoked dish. I'm going to make pulled pork out of it and just have some slices of pork, so I'm really excited. I'm going to make my own dry rub, which I'll show you guys. And pork is good, again, like chicken, it's the other white meat. So you're not eating that red meat, and also it's very rich in thiamine, which is used and very helpful for carbohydrate metabolism and usage. So another good thing there. So I'm going to show you make the rub. I'm going to let that sit for like 12 hours overnight, cook it tomorrow, and let's see how it comes out. Guys, that's how you make a smoked pork butt. It's going to be good for like just having like a nice slice, or you can make pulled pork out of it, which I'm going to do for another recipe. We smoked this for about 6 hours, changing the chips in there every 45 minutes or so. Get a nice smoky taste, and now we're going to sit down and enjoy it with some sweet potatoes and cornbread. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and alright guys, let's go ahead and try it.